Hello YouTube, I'm Talented FK. Welcome to another video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to color grade in Photoshop under 1 minute. If this process is going to guide you how to color grade, if not completely color grade for you, is going to put you on that right path to color grading. I use that process to color grade this picture and some images I have here. So let's jump straight to it. The first thing you need to do, after retouching, after your skin work, in that process where you think you need to color grade, this process is going to help you to color grade very fast. Like I said, under 1 minute. So let's just jump straight to it. All you need to do is to come down here to create a new fill or adjustment layer. You click it, then you select gradient map. So once you click the gradient map, you change this blending mode here to soft light. Then you bring down your opacity to 20. You can use above 20, but 20 is okay. Then you double click on the gradient map. You click on the gradient like this. Then you change this gradient type to noise. Then this roughness to about 12 to 20. Let's say 20. Then here you make sure restrict colors is being checked. Then you just click on randomize. See, randomize will give you different. Wow, this is nice. You can create unlimited kind of gradient here by just hitting on the randomize button. So the randomize will be giving you different color grade. So I'll just keep doing this till I find one that I think is okay. Wow, this is cool. So I'll just keep going. All right. This is cool too. So anyone I think I'm okay with it. Okay, let's say I'm okay with this. All I need to do is just to click OK. So here is the before and here is the after. Here is the before and here is the after. And if I want to save this, and try another one, all I would do is I can just go to Windows, then I'll go to history. This is history. Then all I need to do is to just take a snapshot. Then I'll just go up. So you see I have my snapshot one here. This is it. This is the original image that I dragged into Photoshop. This is the color grade I applied. Then I can double click on the color grade again. Then I can randomize again and pick another color grade and select another color grade. Okay, let's be going. Okay, let's say I'm okay with this. I can click OK. Then I'll go to my Windows, history. Normally the history button is going to appear here. Then I can take another snapshot. So you see I have one, I have two. So this is how to color grade faster in Photoshop under 1 minute. If you like, you can either pull the opacity up or bring down the opacity depending on how it's going to work for you. So that's that. Let's try it on another image again. So okay, let's say this image now. All we need to do now is come to create new fill or adjustment layer. Our gradient map, we change the blending mode here to soft light. Let's bring down this opacity to 20. We double click on the gradient here. We change the gradient type to noise. Then we change our roughness to like 20. Then we make sure restrict colors are being checked. Then we continue to randomize. So till we find a grade that we think is okay. Oh, I love this. So I'm going to click OK. So here is the before and here is the after. The before and the after. Remember, if you want to save this and do another one again, you can go to Windows, history, then you take a snapshot of it. Then you have one. Here is the original. Then this is the color grade. If you want to do another one again, you want to get another color grade, double click on it and just randomize. You have another different color grade. So let's do a quick recap on this. Let's say this image right here. Come down here to create new fill adjustment layer. Select gradient map. Change your blending mode to soft lights. Then you bring down your opacity to 20. Then you double click on it. Change your gradient type to noise, your roughness to about 20. Make sure restrict colors are checked. Then you randomize. So you have different. Whoa, this is nice. I love this. I'm in love with this. So here is the before and here is the after. If I want this effect much, I can pull in the opacity. So here is the before and here is the after. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first person to know whenever I drop a new video. Share this with your friends so that they can come to my channel and learn. See you next week. Next week. Peace.